The regulatory agency is NMPA, which is National Medical Products Administration. Again, the same thing, अगर ICSR सीरियस है और इवेंट्स लिस्टेड है or unlisted hai, in both the cases within 15 days you need to report. But the catch is, if the ICSR has a seriousness criteria of fatal, यानी कि patient की death हुई है, then such ICSRs need to be reported immediately to the NMPA. बहुत जल्दी उनके जो है रिपोर्ट सबमिट हो जानी चाहिए immediately. If the ICSR is non-serious, whether the event is listed, whether the event is unlisted, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, within 30 calendar days हमें इसको रिपोर्ट करना है. These are for China domestic cases. For overseas cases, for post-marketing cases, again serious, listed, unlisted, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, within 15 calendar days we need to report such cases. If the event is fatal, then immediately we need to report, same as this one. And for China domestic and foreign cases, for clinical trial cases, phase 1 से लेके phase 3 तक अगर clinical trial चल रहा है and if any adverse event gets speculated, then in that scenario, if the events are serious and if the events are unlisted, then fatal and life threatening within 7 calendar days we need to report, and for other serious ICSR reports within 15 calendar days. Just need to remember, as per my experience, this is most important part. Then move on to this overseas and clinical trial ka part. That would be better for you.